In the days of old, the whole earth spoke one language, and mankind was united with one voice. As they traveled from the east, they found a great plain in the land of Shinar and decided to settle there. "Come," they said, "let us make bricks and build for ourselves a city and a tower whose top reaches the heavens. Let us make a name for ourselves, lest we be scattered across the earth." But the Lord came down to see the city and the tower. He said, "Behold, they are one people, and they have one language. If they have begun this, nothing will be impossible for them. Come, let us confuse their language so they do not understand one another." And so, the Lord scattered them across the earth, and they abandoned their great city. The place was called Babel, for there the Lord confused the speech of all the earth. And from there, mankind was scattered across the world. From that day forward, the world spoke many tongues, and the unity of mankind was forever changed. Once upon a time, humanity spoke with one voice, one language, one purpose. They stood together, their hearts set on a common goal, to build a tower so high it would reach the heavens. The Tower of Babel, an ambition fueled by unity, but also by pride. "Let us make a name for ourselves," they declared, fearing obscurity more than failure. Their mission? To control their destiny, to rise to God's level. But beneath their ambition was something dangerous, the belief that they no longer needed God. Then, something unexpected happened. The very gift that once united them, language, was scattered. Voices that once harmonized became foreign. The builders could no longer understand one another. And just like that, the work stopped, the people dispersed, and their great ambition crumbled into dust. What does this ancient story mean for us today? The Tower of Babel is more than history, it's a mirror, reflecting the struggles within our own hearts. We build our own towers, don't we? Towers of success. Towers of wealth. Towers of independence. We work tirelessly, believing that if we climb high enough, we won't meet God. But what happens when our towers fail? When our plans shatter? When the things we relied on no longer hold us up? The lesson of Babel isn't that ambition is wrong. It's that ambition without God leads to emptiness. The people of Babel sought greatness without seeking Him. But true greatness is found in surrender. God isn't against our dreams. He is against our pride that blinds us from Him. The same God who scattered the people of Babel later sent His Spirit at Pentecost to unite people again, this time, not through human effort, but through divine grace. So, what are you building today? A life centered on yourself, or a life centered on God? True unity, purpose, and fulfillment aren't found in how high we build, but in how deeply we trust Him. Reflect. Pray. Trust in God. His plans are greater than our own.